I mentioned earlier, this area is where I usually journal, so the stuff that I have here are the ones that I often reach for. So the first thing I have here is this 2-tier shelves that I got from True Value. It was on sale and I think it looked really cute with the silver details, and actually the base of this two shelves are mirror, and yeah, I think it looks really good in the corner of my desk. So what I keep in here first are my washi tapes. These are the ones that I recently purchased from Divisoria and others that I got from Shopee. I recently just organized my playlist, so you guys could check those out as well. I'll link my stationery haul playlist in the description box below if you guys would want to check that out as well, or just if you guys just want to find out where I got all this washi tapes from. Also, I have here is the cloth that I use to clean the screen of my iPad or phone. Yeah, so now at the top, I have here is a cross that my grandma gave me because she's very religious. Beside it is my hope booklet that I like reading for my daily inspirations. Now behind them are my mirror that I got years ago from Papel Melreti, and a jar of pens that I use whenever I'm journaling as well. Now beside it, playing a waterfall effect, I have here are the jar of pins that my friends got me. I think they got this at Daiso. But it's not originally placed in this jar, I just placed this here for aesthetic purposes. I also have here are a bunch of brushes that I use for watercoloring and zig brushes that was given to me years ago as well. Now moving on to the right side of my desk, all I have here is this quill that I got from Scribe. I'm actually planning on buying the stand for this quill, but not right now, maybe in the future, after the quarantine maybe. I don't know. Beside it is another waterfall vignette. I got this grid thing at Daiso for 88 pesos. I have here clipped are a bunch of photo cards that I got from PaperCon. This one I got from Divisoria. I also have a rosary up here that was given to me again by my Lola as well. Below it is this petal shaped vase. Is this a vase? It's something that I got from a flea market years ago, back when we were still living at Tondo. And beside it is just a jar of candy that my brother got me during Valentine's Day. at the upper part of this desk, I have here are more stationery items that I don't usually reach for that often. I guess let's start from this side. This is the bottle of fragrance that I'm using for my room. Beside it are Zigcore colors that my mom got me back when she traveled to New York. Along with these are Sharpie markers that she got me as well. I think she got this for me years ago. Back when I was still in college, but I don't usually use them. Beside it is what used to be a Tostitos jar. I have here are my scissors and a bunch of cutters. This one is actually a hairpin, but I use it to open mail. I also have here are refillable ink pens that I use in college, but not that much now. Yeah, because I'm too lazy to fill in or refill the ink of this pens. I have here are a bunch of boxes that I use to elevate the whole jar sets that I have. Now moving on to the middle of the shelf, I have more washi tapes. These are actually extra ones, or I guess you can say the ones that I really like the design of. Yeah. Beside this washi tapes, I have here are a bunch of post-its that I used to hoard, but I don't really use that often. On top of this is my BTS standee. This was a gift from Sam. And behind it are more Zigcore colors that I used to use back when I was in college as well. Behind here is an old cork board that I spray painted with gold. And at the lower part here, I have are my DVD collections. I have here is the DVD for my debut, One Direction tour DVDs, and my supposedly favorite film of all time, not anymore. And on top of it, I have here is the money bank that I wasn't originally planning on buying, but when I was checking the price that is usually taped at the bottom of the lid fell off, and the store manager told me that they won't be able to sell it because they found a crack, like that crack. So yeah, they asked me to pay for it or whatever. It cost me 2,000 pesos, so yeah, never going back to that store again. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in this upper shelf. Now moving on to this side of the desk, I have here are a bunch of drawers. I got this from True Value, which was on sale at the time. I'm actually planning to buy one more just to balance everything out. Anyways, at the first drawer I have here are glues, tapes, the variety of stuff that you use to stick something in. Yeah. Next I have here are a bunch of rulers. I won't be showing you guys what it looks like inside because it's still a bit messy. Maybe I'll show you guys that when I finally organize my system here. Below it are stuff that I used to paint, my prang, my watercolor, and all that. And then these two, which are the most unorganized one, I have here are stickers and more craft paper. On top of this drawers I have here for now is my photo album from my debut and my gratitude journal. I keep them here just to have quick access for them, I guess. Beside it are more stickers that I collect. I got this from Shopee and a variety of stores. I also got the drawer system thing at the DIY store at Green Hills. But yeah, I was planning on painting it white, but I got too lazy. I won't be showing you guys everything that I have here or everything that is placed in each drawer, because I mean this video might take forever. But if you guys want to see a video just for that, that's my cat Cleo, let me know in the comments down below. I can show you guys my sticker collection. So yeah, beside it is just a binder clip thing that I have for where I organize or where I keep my pen pal letters. And now finally, under all this stuff are more cluttered items that I like to hide in bins. I have here is a bin with all my photography equipment. I'm not gonna show you guys what's inside because, as I mentioned, it's very cluttered. But beside it is my board game collection. I'm actually obsessed with board games. I like collecting them, so let me know any suggestions that you guys like to play. Maybe I can purchase them next time. And lastly, at the very corner are just papers like bond papers, Oslo papers, and some colored papers. These is not actually the permanent spot for it. I'm actually planning to the drawers that I mentioned earlier. I'm actually planning to place it there, but yeah, I don't know how. I still don't know how to organize it. Leave some tips if you guys have some suggestions. Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if you guys want a sticker collection video as well. Yeah, so I can make you guys that video as well in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll chat with you guys in the comment section down below, and see you guys again next time. Bye!